Hi, my name is Michelle Thumm. I'm an agent here at ROVI Homes. So I spent 14 years as a pastry chef. My favorite thing to do with baking is I love to do children's cakes. They're a lot of fun. I get to play around, I get to be creative. One of my worst pastry catastrophes was that we had a function for 800 people. I made probably about 900 desserts for all the people attending the event, and we had them on the catering truck. They unbuckled them and they forgot to buckle them back in, and they moved the truck and all the pastries went flying out the back of the truck. We made it work, but it was definitely one of my most panicking moments. I mainly joined ROVI for the training. I was a brand new agent, I had no idea what I was doing, and I wanted to have the support there so I don't look like I don't know what I'm doing. So I started at ROVI and they put me in the training program, and I kind of learned about the industry. I learned how to write offers properly. The most fun part about working at ROVI is definitely the culture. Everybody's friendly here. You never feel bad about yourself, or you never feel bad about asking questions. And everybody's just happy and fun and willing to help you and drop everything, help you out, and it's just a really amazing feeling. I like the team feeling. It's nice to feel like you're part of a team, and it's just nice to always have people there for you. Real estate, for me, is about helping people find their dreams. I just really like helping people. And sometimes that's with a business or a second home or a first home or new baby and you need more room, and it's just nice helping people.